Welcome to Study Loop.
So we're told 4 astronauts are in a spherical space station. If, as is typical, each of them breathes about 500 cubic centimeters of air with each breath, approximately what volume of air in cubic meters do these astronauts breathe in a year? So we need to do a bunch of unit conversions here. So we have 500 cubic centimeters per breath per person. Then we have 4 people. And I assume that we take one breath every 2 seconds. So your answer is going to depend a lot on this assumption. And if we do that, this thing simply becomes 2, and this is 500. So this becomes, we get 1,000 cubic centimeters per second is what the astronauts breathe. So now we need to convert the seconds to years. And you can actually get a better approximation because there's actually more than 365 days in a year, roughly. So anyway, this is a rough approximation for seconds in a year. So we have 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, 24 hours in a day, and 365 days per year. It's usually about 365 and a quarter, I think. That's why we have leap years. And then we need to convert that from cubic centimeters to cubic meters. So we know there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter, and then we need to cube that. So this becomes 10 to the 6th. And then if we do all that unit conversion, we get that we about 32 times 10 to the 3rd cubic meters per year. And if we're asked what the radius of the sphere would need to be. So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. And if we, oops, that's the wrong value there. If we plug in this volume of air that we have in a year, then we get a radius of about 20 meters. Now, if we assume one breath every 3 seconds, the radius drops down to 17 meters, and one breath every 4 seconds, the radius drops down to about 15.6 meters.